Hello guys, it's me, Mugman. And this is my first time on Taikero's videos. So today I'm going to be trying some weird stuff. So first we got something called ginger ale. But that's what it's not really called. So we're just going to try it anyways. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And no, I was sick today. Hey, it turned my voice up. Yay! Okay, so we got something in this bag. I already ate the Kit Kat and this candy called Spran candy. So I already tried that, but I'm going to use it for some water or milk. Because you know I love milk and stuff. Now I'm going to have the ginger ale to hold the camera. Okay, you might not see me, but I'm going to try these Doritos called Doritos Blaze. It looks very spicy, but I'm going to try them. Like the cameraman is going to eat one first and see if it's hot. Okay. So how's it taste? It's hot! It's hot! It's hot! Okay, cameraman! Need some water! Guys, this is who the cameraman is. I'm going to show you who's the cameraman. Oh, I need some milk. Thank you, my man. That's so much better. Thank you, my man. No! We're camera mean. And by the way, I'm a YouTuber. Hello. Look, man, that was hot. It might make your milk. It might. Thank you. I needed that. Okay, it's my turn. Try some. So how does it taste, my man? It's hot! I need some milk. Yeah! Oh, hey, Mugs, what are you doing? Okay. Sorry guys, because I need to drink some milk, so I got Cuphead milk. Don't judge me, he's a bad brother. I need some milk. My straw is red, so I can't drink it because it's red. So that's hot. Really hot. I'm going to close these bags because they're very, very hot. Next chip we're going to try. It's called Cheezers Fries Flippin' Hot. Flappin' Hot. So I'm gonna taste these ones, and I see they're hot. I hope they're not hot than the other ones, because they're woo. Okay, Cameron is gonna try it first. So, this is good. Okay, Cameron, let's do it.